Last time on Roots, we got the car back on the ground for the first time as a complete car. Meaning, it's almost time for the very first test drive.
So Stuart, as we've seen last time, the car's looking great, but what do we still need to do to get this ready?
Well, we've got to finish up with the brakes and suspension. If you got to start on that, and I'm going to get the shifter hooked up and get the gearbox filled with oil.
First, we got the rear suspension sorted. We installed the adjuster cups and the springs, then we installed the shock absorbers. With that done, we jacked up the rear beam so we could get everything bolted back together. And for the eagle-eyed viewers out there, don't worry, we fixed it.
Next was a job our friend Mark had pointed out to us earlier in the week.
So what I'm doing here is I'm removing this carrier because we put it on the wrong way. So this is actually the near side and the near side's on to the off side. So they take these off, then we've got new pads, Mintex racing pads. And they're actually the new Mintex racing pads. So it'll be good to test these out and see how they are.
As you can see from last time, we fitted the carriers with this block at the top. As it turns out, it's actually meant to be at the bottom, like this. So thanks for pointing that out.
It was time to install the bucket seats. These are actually the seats from my Fiesta project, but seeing the condition of the original seats, I thought these might be a better fit. And as usual, they were an absolute pain in the ass.
I would like to say it fitted easily. It didn't.
Now, how does it feel sitting on it?
It's lovely. It's actually really good. It's set up for me amazing. For the larger of us, it doesn't fit. I think you're going to be a passenger, princess, in this car.
Yeah.
Anyway, it feels good. I'm in here.
I'm so happy for you.
We definitely need to get some washers in here and tilt the seat up though.
Aye, because
It's definitely sitting like that. How's it going? Aye, we'll do that. But aye, it's nice.
Stuart, what brake fluid are we using?
Very expensive SRF. Very expensive. So basically the boiling point on this is really, really high. So on track, when you apply the brakes, there's a lot of residual heat that then goes into the pads, into the fluid. With normal kind of brake fluid or other racing fluid, the boiling point of them is quite low. The boiling point on SRF is one of the highest you can get. So you should eliminate brake fluid, or you should at least not get as much brake fluid.
What would happen if you used cheap brake fluid?
You would have brakes for a while, and then once the fluid started to boil, you would then have no brakes. You basically put the foot to the floor, and it would be really spongy, and then it would be none. So what I've done is I've opened up the two back bleed nipples. We're just going to leave it for 5 minutes, or a couple of minutes, just to let the fluid flow through the car and start to zip out from there. Once I've done that, I'll quickly do the fronts, and then we'll start the bleeding process. When you bleed, you start from the furthest away caliper, working your way to the closest. So we'll start with back offside, back near side, front offside, front near side. Think skinny, think skinny. You're in!
Ish.
Hi. I bet you've got to understand how Shaq feels.
No, we wouldn't even fit in a standard Clio though, would it?
You look snug. You have no neck.
I'm trying to get my arse in.
You're in there.
I'm in.
What do you think of it?
It's so comfy.
That
No. It's actually alright. I just see if these weren't here, I think I'd be okay.
Yeah.
But I'm so.
They're meant for your head. They're head supports and head restraints.
Yeah.
Your head's not there.
I don't think I'll be driving this.
I think you'll be driving this. Can you turn the steering wheel? Yeah.
It's no worse than sitting in an MX-5.
Yeah, you own two then.
Yeah. I've had 3 of them.
3 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put the floor, bent up, your foot, pump it. How's it feel?
Like a brake pedal.
Feel there, that's the caliper.
We have brakes. Now I just need to get back out of this thing.
If it works, it ain't stupid.
With everything done, it was finally time to see if the car would drive.
Right, so car is on the ground again. We're about to move it for the first time.
Are you excited?
I'm buzzing.
Yeah.
I need to get in it first. So lower now.
But if it'll have the steering wheels in properly. How's the shifter feel?
Sweets enough.
Like butter.
Like butter.
Right. Pardon the mess in the garage, we are busy. Did they stall it? Get a wee rev. A wee rev, it was okay. Yes. Man. I moved. Buzzing.
First driving the Clio.
I know.
It's pitch black, but the Clio's driving.
It's very dark. And I want to miss all these potholes. Quite a lot of clunking. Oh. Might not be. Might be alignment.
What do you think? Oh.
Wheel hop. Definitely need to tighten up something in the front end.
Okay. But it's driving.
On the side.
It's moving under its own power.
It is.
For the first time, really, in what? This is its longest drive in, we think, about 5 years, right?
No, longer. No.
Longer?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Seems to be running better than that.
Yeah.
No, it seems to be running pretty good now.
Awesome. How was that?
It was really good fun.
Finally.
Couldn't go fast, but
No.
I feel good.
But we knew that's the first. That was the first test drive.
It's his first test drive in like 8 years. 8 years, and all we kept was the shell.
Yeah.
It's a full shell build.
Yeah, every single piece has been replaced.
Every single nut and bolt's off that, apart from fuel lines and fuel tank,
Yeah, but we changed the fuel pump.
and the rear beam. Everything else has been off that car. Everything. Hey.